And away we go. Here is the fourth installment, or the third update, of the DIY whole house water filter system. I promised I'd do an update once a month to see how the filters are progressing and about how long you might be able to expect to get out of each filter. Just a quickie, this is a 20 micron filter and this is a 5 micron filter. Initial water pressures was set at 60 psi. Let's run through it and see what the pressures are this time around. The first gauge, you can see it's 60 psi. Follow that up to the second gauge, and that is 60 psi as well. No pressure loss through this filter yet. I anticipate there being some pressure loss, but we'll see. Then the third gauge in the system, which measures the pressure loss across this filter, it is 60 psi as well. Absolutely no pressure loss across the system yet, even though you can clearly see there is a big difference in sediment being caught here and here. I don't know, maybe you can look over the videos in the past and see the progression of the color difference. This filter is definitely picking up a lot of sediment. While the 5 micron is it's picking up sediment. I just don't think it's picking up anything that's a lot. There's not a lot of sediment. As you can hear, the water system is running. But I was thinking, this is a real quick note, I was thinking this would be an awesome off-grid water filtration system. I mean, not for purification, don't get me wrong, but if you have good, clean source of water and you want to go ahead and filter it down and run it through a filter relatively inexpensively without buying a really high cost filter, this would be an awesome little setup. You don't need the gauges, and you don't need the copper pipe. You can use PEX. This would be something awesome for somebody to go ahead and use. The price of this, I don't think I have $100 into this. Yeah, that's including the copper. So I would say that this would be an excellent off-grid water filtration system for water that's already clean. If you want to clean up a little bit more, an already good source of water, like maybe a well or a spring or something like that. Add in a carbon filter to the mix, and boy, I tell you what, you're going to get some really nice water out of this. But yeah, it's just a thought, you know what I mean, for off-gridders. And yeah, we'll check back in another month to see if the water pressure went down at all on any of the gauges. So with that, I'll sign out saying thanks for watching this video. We'll see when these things fail. They're going to fail eventually. I have no doubt in my mind. But they ain't doing it today. Thanks for watching. If you like it, throw a thumbs up on there. Don't forget to subscribe. And make sure you share the video series. I put this into a playlist. I think if you share it, it'll make more sense. I mean, this one video by itself just ain't gonna make no sense at all. So, thanks a lot. Have a good one. Talk to you next time. Bye.